As we are getting ready for the Barbie movie, we came up with 4 Barbie recipes. So sit back and enjoy with us. And of course, remember to subscribe. For the ingredients, we have strawberries, we have vanilla essence, we have milk, we have all-purpose flour, we have sugar, we have baking powder, we have cardamom, 2 eggs, and salt, and margarine. And of course, being a Barbie edition, we have pink food color. To make the pancakes, we're going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar, just to sweeten, because remember we are adding food color, we are not sure of the taste. Then we're going to add some salt, and of course cinnamon or cardamom. In our case, we added cardamoms. Then we're going to mix the dry ingredients until they are evenly mixed. You can always enhance the flavor. This is our recipe, so you can always modify yours. So for the wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and remember we said you put one egg at a time to ensure that you don't put a spoiled egg into your ingredients. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. And if you're new to the channel, kindly consider subscribing and ensure the notification bell is on. And if you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. We really value you. We're going to add margarine and we're going to melt it. These are two tablespoons, but you can also use butter if you have, and even if you don't have margarine or butter, you can always add cooking oil. And we also added just a little quantity of vanilla essence. You can see the butter is now melted, and we are going to add on to our wet ingredients. Comment down below with your favorite pancake recipe. Is it these big fluffy pancakes or crepes? The wet and dry ingredients are now ready, and we are going to just mix them gradually. You can mix them to your desired level. If you want too thick, if you want too light, it's just to the way you want. For our case, we're just going to make it moderate. How often do you think of trying out crazy recipes? To be honest, I never thought I would ever try such a recipe, but I enjoyed filming these 4 recipes and the outcome was varied. So we're going to share our experience on each and every recipe we try out, and I don't know, I don't think we can repeat all of them, but some of them we can always try them again. If you're still watching, thank you so much. And if you would like us to try other recipes, let us know. At this point, we added the food color, and we added in moderation because we are scared of the outcome. That is the challenge about trying out new recipes. But we tried until it turned pink. I don't know whether the camera is doing it justice, but finally we had a pink mixture. Yeah, I think you can see it's a pink mixture now, and we are ready to make the pancakes. Oh, wait a minute, we were not ready because we decided to add some strawberries, and at this point we are sort of breaking them. Is it breaking them or mashing them? Yeah, we are mashing them so that we can just mix them with the mixture of the pancakes. Comment down below if you have ever tried to make a colored meal. For me, this is my very first time to just try out something totally different, because this was pink themed Barbie girl recipe inspired by the upcoming movie. Of course, if we get the opportunity, we're going to go and watch the movie, but for now I think we're going to enjoy the recipes. At this point, we are going to add our, I think I would call it strawberry puree to our mixture so that we can now have the final product. And we were hoping it will not change the color, it will retain it to pink. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, clearly you can see we still retained the pink color, and we were happy to achieve what we were trying to come up with, because basically this was supposed to be pink pancakes. So we are now ready to make the pancakes, and we're going to use margarine. You can use cooking oil, you can use butter to make the pancakes, but for our recipe we used margarine. You can see the pink is giving, and we were very happy that finally we achieved the color. We just watch to see how the taste turned out, because I mean, achieving the color was one thing and the taste was something else. Time to turn our pancake. Let's see. I hope we are doing something. Yeah, it looks nice. Actually, the top side was not as pink as the interior, and what we noted is that it was better to make these fluffy pancakes pink than crepes. Time to try our pink pancake, and of course my nails are pink. Hmm. Very nice. Very yummy. Taste. Pink pancakes. Super delicious. Next recipe, milkshake. Ingredients for the pink milkshake will be as follows. We have a 1/4 cup of milk. We have strawberries, but we are going to use a very small portion. We have vanilla and strawberry ice cream, and we have chia seeds. And of course, we'll use a blender to mix. Yes, so this milk, I feel like it's not enough. So we're going to add some more depending on how thick we want the shake to be. So let's do this. For this recipe, we are going to use 4 pieces of strawberries, and then the 1/4 cup of milk that we had, and 250 ml ice cream, vanilla and strawberry flavor. And then we're going to put some chia seeds. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And we don't measure, we just put that portion. Let's see how it turns out. In the meantime, if you're still watching and you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. If you have not liked, hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching this video. Yes, so here we have our pink drink. It was a bit light, so we considered adding some ice cubes, and this is the final product, pink, and it was very delicious. Let's put it to the taste test. Time to taste the shake. I think camera is not doing it justice, but it's pink. Yummy. Taste test.
Nice.
It's
really nice.
The next recipe is mocktail. For our next recipe, we have some watermelon, we have strawberries, we have chia seeds and club soda. We're going to make a mocktail. So, and we'll also add some ice cubes. So let's do this. We have added some strawberries and sugar. So now we mash the strawberries and the sugar. The sugar is just to ensure we have some sweetness in case the strawberries are not delicious. Then we added some watermelon, because this mocktail has is watermelon strawberry flavored. And then we added some ice cubes. And the last thing we are going to add is club soda. And there is our mocktail. For this one, we are not very sure whether it turned out to be pink, but let's see if it will improve. But to be honest, it was more red than pink, but we tried. Comment down below and let us know whether it looks pink to you. After some time, it looked kind of pink, so I still feel it qualifies to be a pink drink. What is your take on these recipes so far? If you like them, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. As you can see, it's kind of turning pink, so I would say we achieved. So if you're still watching now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Mocktail taste test. We don't have a straw, so we make do with our glass. Taste test. Yummy. And it's pink. We can see being a princess is
exhausting.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Kindly also subscribe to our other channel. Our last recipe will be pasta. So we are going to actually pink pasta. So we're going to boil the pasta first, and we are using Santa Lucia pasta for this recipe. Yes. And then we are going to make another mixture to turn the pasta into pink. This is a beetroot. We are going to bring it to a boil. The last part, this is the mixture. We have beetroot. Okay. We have olive oil. We have salt. And we have garlic powder. And some sour milk. So at this point, we have added the beetroots. We're going to add the sour milk. We are adding some sour milk, just a little. Please subscribe and like if you're still watching. Then we add some salt. Some garlic powder. It's optional. You can use the raw garlic. And olive oil. So here is the final product, and we are scared, so we are just going to make a small portion and see how it turns out. So we are mixing. At least we got the pink. The problem is, how will it taste? Time to taste the pink pasta. Not bad. It's not all that, but it's not bad. Honestly, I wouldn't cook another meal. Would you?
I don't love beetroot, so
yeah, it's not so bad, but
it's not bad.
Honestly, this is not a meal.
Pink pasta.
Yay!
That I don't love.
Us. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.